All right, so here is the entrance to the new Dunas Suites. There's 3 buildings, 15, 16, and 17, which are all ocean view. So just to orient you, we're right by the main pool and right by Mare Tiara, which is the lunch and dinner spot. So let's go inside the room and take a look. Welcome to the gorgeous Valentin Imperial in the Riviera Maya. We're going to show you the new Dunas Suites. This just opened to the public a couple of weeks ago, so we're going to give you an inside look at all of the amenities that these gorgeous new rooms have to offer. You walk in and you find the mini bar, always important. This will come fully stocked for you every day, and you do have some choices if you have special requests. If you do get the privilege package, which we always tend to do, you do get liquor of your choice, mixers, and you get the little tumblers from the Valentin as well. The QR code is here for their app, which gives you a list of all of their activities, the menus for the day, and fun things to do around the resort. The vibe of these rooms is much different than the other rooms if you have been here before. A much more modern touch. We have glass walls here with the whirlpool tub, rainfall shower, really nice. You got double vanity sinks here. Comes with everything that typically comes with, right? You've got your steamer, your hair dryer, all those fun things, so you don't have to pack any of that. Probably one of the coolest features of the Dunas rooms are the plunge pools. So I'm going to show you that first. So you walk in and this is your view. You have a private plunge pool that looks out to the ocean. Another really cool upgrade that the Dunas Suites offers is this secret door that you can put all of your room service stuff in. So the service folks can get it from the outside of the room without ever having to come into your room, and you don't have to leave it on the floor. So that's a really nice upgrade. Storage. This is always my first question because I pack a lot. How much storage do we have? This is the amount of storage you're gonna get. So it's not a ton, but we made it work with 2 people. You do have one extra space down here with some drawers. Come out here with me and I'll show you how gorgeous this is. You are truly on the beach. You've got the ocean view here. You have loungers out front. Very serene, quiet, beautiful. All right, I'll take you back inside. Another great space-saving feature of this room, the TV is in the ceiling. So this can swing down so you can watch it while you're in bed or sitting in the sitting area, but otherwise you can put it back up into the ceiling so it's out of the way. So very cool. Also, everything in these rooms is controlled by these touchscreen control panels from your Do Not Disturb, if you're ready for service in the room, your lighting. You do have another one over here with more controls for exterior lighting in the plunge pool area, as well as your shades over here, which is nice when the sun is going down. One thing we have found is the actual room curtains are not part of the control panel, so you do have to use your own muscles to get those open and closed. We do have one more control panel over here, and this controls your TV coming up and down, the fan, your climate, which is in Celsius, and the lights around the room as well. We do have some reading lights, which is a fun feature. If you are part of the privilege package, they do offer fresh flowers with your stay as well as a bowl of fruit. So that's a really nice touch when you're just getting in from a long day of travel. One thing to note is if you've been to the Valentin before, you know the other suites offer the bidet. This one in the Dunas Suite is just a regular old toilet. So you're not going to find a bidet in these. Okay, I think that's it, you guys. That is the Dunas Suites. This is building 16. We'll show you kind of some of the exterior of the resort in our following videos. Let us know if you have any questions.